Below is a case-wise concise summary of all the judgments you listed, drafted in a CA-ready professional format, suitable for study notes, presentations, newsletters, or client advisories. Case-wise summary of income tax judgments. 1. Gurminder Singh versus Ito, Ward 2, Ambala, Itat Chandigarh. Issue: allowability of rebate US 87 on long-term capital gains. Held. Section 112 6 prohibits rebate US 87 only on equity-oriented LTCG covered US 112 1. Debt LTCG is governed by Section 112, hence no bar on rebate US 87. Assessee eligible for full rebate of 25,000 rupees. Decision: appeal allowed. CPC directed to recompute tax. 2. Shramik Vikas Sansthan versus Ito, E. Vadodara, Itat Ahmedabad. Issue: denial of exemption US 11 for alleged non-filing of Form 10B. Held. Filing of Form 10B is procedural, not mandatory. Audit report was actually filed within due date. CPC and CIT erred. Supported by CBDT Circular Number 10/2019. Decision: exemption US 11 allowed. 3. Dhananjay Tradelink PVT Limited versus Ito, Itat Ahmedabad. Issue: reopening US 148 and addition US 69C based on accommodation entry allegation. Held. Reopening based on mere suspicion without tangible material is invalid. Transactions supported by invoices, bank statements, stock records. No independent inquiry by AO. Decision: reopening and addition quashed. Appeal allowed. 4. Samastipur Kshetriya Gramin Bank versus DCIT, Itat Patna. Issue: deductibility of amortization of premium on government securities. Held. Securities purchased to meet SLR requirements. Amortization of premium on HTM securities is revenue expenditure. Covered by Kalyan Janta Sehkari Bank Limited decision. Decision: deduction allowed. 5. Ito versus Mehmed Khayyum Mehmed Hanit Shack, Itat Pune. Issue: application of net profit rate on cash deposits. Held. Assessee acted on commission basis, normal commission 2%, 5%. CIT A rightly applied 5% NP instead of 8% US 44 AD. Decision: revenues appeal dismissed. 6. Jasbir Singh Saro Sons versus Ito, Itat Chandigarh. Issue: denial of new tax regime due to delayed e-verification. Held. As per CBDT notification No 05-2022, date of dispatch of ITRV is relevant. ITRV dispatched within these days, return deemed valid. Decision: new tax regime benefit allowed. 7. DCIT versus Mahalakshmi Lighthouse, Hapur, Itat Delhi. Issue: validity of reassessment without notice US 143, 2. Held. Issue of notice US 143, 2 is mandatory even in reassessment. Department failed to prove issuance. Decision: reassessment quashed. 8. DCI versus Alok Kumar Agrawal, Itat Delhi. Issue: validity of assessment US 153 beyond 10 years. Held. A 2010-11 beyond permissible 10-year limit. Covered by binding precedent of Ojus Medicare PVT, Ltd. Decision: revenue appeal dismissed. No. Luminous Power Technologies PVT Limited versus Death, Itat Delhi. Issue: limitation for final assessment US 144C, 13. Held. Final assessment passed beyond statutory time limit. Decision: assessment orders set aside. 10. Kirna Kumar Amritlal Shah versus Ito, Itat Ahmedabad. Issue: addition US 69 for cash deposits. Held. Regular cash deposits from disclosed business receipts. No contradiction by AO or CIT A. Decision: addition deleted. 11. Ito versus Jasmeen Jayanti Bhai Sanghavi, Itat Ahmedabad. Issue: validity of reassessment addition US 69C. Held. AO ignored documents proving genuineness of LTCG. Reassessment lacked merit on facts and law. Decision: revenue appeal dismissed. 12. Jai Gopalpur Youth Development Center versus Ito, Itat Kolkata. Issue: late filing of Form 10B. Held. Requirement is directory, not mandatory. Revised Form 10B filed before assessment completion. Decision: exemption US 11 allowed. 13. Angamal Educational Trust versus Ito, Madras HC. Issue: violation of natural justice incorrect assessment section. Held: order passed US 143-3 RW 144-B was unsustainable. Opportunity of hearing not properly granted. Decision: assessment quashed, matter remanded. 14. CNC CSE Charities versus ITO, Itat Chennai. Issue: denial of exemption US 11 due to registration issue. Held: trust had valid registration during relevant year. Revenues assumption incorrect. Decision: exemption allowed, revenue appeal dismissed. 15. Virtue Drilling Pte Limited versus DCIT, Itat Delhi. Issue: applicability of section 44BB versus royalty FTS. Held: rig hire for oil exploration covered US 44BB. Section 9(1)(6) not applicable. Decision: addition deleted. Solar Brick Technologies PVT Limited versus ITO, Itat Chennai. Issue: ex parte appellate order due to non-response. Held: notices went to spam folder, violation of natural justice. Decision: matter remanded to CIT, A. 17. Hadijat Amina versus ITO, Itat Chennai. Issue: dismissal of appeal due to minor delay. Held: delay of 5-8 days condoned in interest of justice. CIT, A. violated principles of natural justice. Decision: matter restored. 18. Sri Nagappa Agencies versus JCIT, Itat Chennai. Issue: ex parte dismissal by CIT, A. Held: non-response alone cannot justify dismissal. Decision: matter remanded. Appeal allowed for statistical purposes. 19. Shri Agarsen Jain Seva Sabha versus ITO, Itat Delhi. Issue: wrong application of amended section 12A. Held: trust was validly registered during relevant year. CPC demand raised incorrectly. Decision: demand deleted. 20. Kiran Mahana, legal error versus DCIT, Itat Delhi. Issue: wrong invocation of section 153 instead of 153C. Held: material belonged to third party. Procedure US 153C mandatory. No opportunity of cross-examination. Decision: assessment quashed. 21. Inteva Products Netherlands BV versus Asset, Itat Delhi. Issue: taxability of business support services under DTA. Held: services were managerial, not FTS. Make available condition not satisfied. Decision: addition deleted. 22. PCIT versus Citron Infra Projects Limited, Bombay HC. Issue: validity of approval US 153D. Held: approval granted without application of mind. Jurisdictional defect not curable. Decision: revenue appeal dismissed. 23. Sunri se PropBuild PVT Limited versus Asset, Itat Delhi. Issue: reopening without disposing objections. Held: non-disposal of objections violates law. Reasons lack nexus with escapement of income. Decision: reopening quashed. 24. Virgin Atlantic Airways Limited versus DCIT, Itat Delhi. Issue: taxability of delivery charges under India UK DTA. Held: delivery charges directly connected with air transport. Covered under Article 8, not taxable in India. Decision: appeal allowed. 25. PCIT IC Surat versus AMD Industries PVT, Ltd. Supreme Court. Issue: effect of pending settlement application. Held: rejection without settlement does not bar appellate remedies. Delay rightly condoned by Itat. Decision: SLP dismissed. 26. Jayant Fanzon Lighting Industries PVT Limited versus Asset, Itat Kolkata. Issue: cash deposits during demonetization. Held: deposits explained from earlier withdrawals. Supported by cash book and bank records. Decision: addition deleted. 27. ITO Ward 3-1 Kolkata versus Anushraya Investment PVT Ltd, Itat Kolkata. Issue: validity of reopening US 137 approval US 151 addition US 68 bogus STCL. Held: approval US 151 by PCIT was mechanical. Yes, I am satisfied without recording independent satisfaction. Reasons recorded for reopening showed non-application of mind and were based on incorrect facts. Mechanical approval plus defective reasons vitiate reassessment. Decision. Reopening and assessment US 143, 3, 147 quashed. 28. Anirudh Khemka versus Ito, Ward 30, 7, Itat Kolkata. Issue. Addition US 68, unsecured loans and interest, burden of proof. Held. Assessee discharged onus by proving identity, creditworthiness, and genuineness. Non-service of summons or non-appearance of creditors is not fatal once evidences are filed. Crystal Networks principle. AO failed to rebut or comment on evidences. Decision. Addition deleted. Assessee's appeal allowed. 29. DCIT 3, 4, ORS versus Lupin Ltd. Supreme Court order. Issue. Reopening US 147 within 4 years. No fresh tangible material. Held. Reopening based only on re-examination of same material is invalid. No palpable error in HC order. SLP filed with unexplained delay of 142 days. Decision. SLP dismissed on delay and on merits. 30. Surinder Kumar Chawla versus Asset. Central Circle, Itat Dehradun. Issue. Assessment US 153A, unabated years, incriminating material. Held. For unabated assessments, additions US 153 are permissible only on the basis of incriminating material found during assessee's own search. In absence of such material, completed assessments cannot be disturbed. Decision. Additions deleted. Assessee appeal allowed. 31. Den Discovery Digital Networks PVT. Limited versus Asset. Itat Pune. Issue. Withdrawal of interest US 244, by rectification US 154. Held. Interest on refund arising from advance tax is statutory. Once interest is rightly granted, it cannot be withdrawn by invoking section 154. Rectification amounted to review, not correction of mistake. Decision. Withdrawal of interest held invalid. AO directed to allow interest US 244A. 32. Asset versus Vikram Netex PVT, Ltd. Supreme Court order. Issue. Reopening US 147. Reasons recorded. Bogus LTCG US Arsat. Held. AO merely relied on investigation wing report without independent application of mind. Reasons were not AO's own satisfaction. Delay in filing SLP also unexplained. Decision. SLP dismissed on delay and merits. 33. Kusum Sehgal through LR versus Asset, Circle 19, 2, New Delhi, Itat Delhi. Issue. Deduction US 54F, joint ownership of residential property. Held. Joint ownership of another residential house does not disentitle the assessee from claiming deduction US 54F. Investment in residential property, the Camellias, DLF, qualifies. Decision. Deduction allowed. AO CIT A. Order set aside. 34. Sheth Hathi Singh Kesari Singh Trust versus Ito. Exemption. Itat Ahmedabad. Issue. Addition US 143, 1. CPC arithmetical error. Held. CPC committed totaling mistake while allowing deductions US 11 and thus TEC. No dispute on figures claimed. Error purely arithmetical. Decision. Addition deleted. Assessee appeal allowed. 35. PCIT, Central 1 Kolkata versus Amrit Feeds Ltd. Supreme Court order. Issue. Delay in SLP, effect of IBC moratorium. Held. Tribunal rightly dismissed revenue appeal considering NCLT moratorium and precedents. Revenue failed to explain inordinate delay of 433 days. Decision. SLP dismissed on ground of delay. 36. Harish Kumar Singh versus Ito, Ward 3, 2, Bulandashahar, Itat Delhi. Issue. Allegation of non-filing of return. Held. Assessee produced acknowledgement of return, which was not disputed by revenue. Similar issue decided in favor of assessee in Deepak Wadhwa case. Decision. Notice and order quashed. Assessee appeal allowed. 37. Reliance Commercial Dealers Limited versus DCIT, Circle 8, 1, 1, Mumbai, Itat Mumbai. Issue. A. Penalty US 271, 1, C. Alleged unexplained cash credits. B. Addition due to mismatch with tax audit report, actuarial valuation of gratuity. Held. Amount represented interest income already disclosed, not unexplained cash credit, no penalty leviable. Actuarial valuation of gratuity routed through OCI, below PL, has no impact on taxable income. Deduction is allowed on payment basis only. Decision. Penalty and addition deleted. Assessee appeal allowed. 38. Shri Saurabh Goyal V, DCIT, Central Circle 1, Chandigarh, Itat. Issue: Taxability of cash gift from HUF and applicability of higher tax rate US 115 BBE. Held: Our treated gift from HUF as taxable US 56 2 Kiss Smiley and applied section 115 BBE. Tribunal held that HUF is a group of relatives and money withdrawn by member from HUF represents his own contribution. Such receipt is exempt US 10 2 and not taxable. Decision: Addition deleted. Appeal allowed. 39. DCIT 1 1 Raipur v. Ajay Golecha Jewellers Shri Chand, Raipur, Itat. Issue: Penalty US 271 1 C for alleged bogus LTCG claimed US 10 38. Held: Assessee voluntarily withdrew claim of exemption during assessment. Department made no independent inquiry to establish concealment or inaccuracy. Mere withdrawal of claim does not automatically attract penalty. Decision: Penalty deleted. Revenues appeal dismissed. 40. Dudhsagar Research Dement Association v. DCIT. Exemption, Ahmedabad, Itat. Issue: Whether compulsory donations linked to milk supply qualify as corpus donations US 11 1 D. Held: Such collections are not voluntary and hence not corpus donations. However, once treated as revenue receipts, they are eligible for normal exemption US 1112. Assessee entitled to 15% statutory deduction. Decision: Partial relief granted to assessee. 41. Uday Infrastructure International PVT. Limited v. Ito, Ahmedabad, Itat. Issue: Denial of concessional tax regime US 115 bar due to non-filing of Form 10 IC. Held: Assessee had opted for new regime but was prevented due to technical portal issues. Form 10 I could not be filed later due to system restriction. Principle of natural justice applies. Decision: Matter remanded. Our directed to allow filing of Form 10 IC and recompute tax US 115 bar. 42. Prakash Bhikhabhai Thakkar v. Ito, NFSC, Delhi, Itat. Issue: Disallowance of purchases for lack of supporting evidence. Held: Assessee admitted inability to substantiate purchases. Revenue agreed that partial addition would suffice. Considering smallness of amount, addition restricted. Decision: Addition sustained only to 1,80,000 rupees. Relief granted. Note: Decision confined to facts of the case, not a general precedent. 43. Sarika Industries PVT. Limited v. Union of India ORS. Delhi High Court, 2025. Issue: Whether writ petition can be treated as revision petition US 264. Held: Petitioner permitted to file copy of writ before PCIT. Same to be treated as revision petition, including stay grounds. PCIT to decide after hearing parties. Decision: Liberty granted. Writ kept open for revival if required. 44. JCIT, OSD, Delhi v. Manish Veej, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue: Addition on sale of startup shares based on valuation differences. Held: Assessee justified valuation through NAV and DCF methods by independent valuers. AO ignored detailed replies and conducted no inquiry with buyer. Burden of proof discharged by assessee. Decision: CIT, A, S deletion upheld. Revenues appeal dismissed. 45. Rajneesh Kastur Chand Ostwal v. Ito, Mumbai, Itat, 2025. Issue: Addition US 69 for property investment by NRI. Held: Assessee proved funds were from foreign salary income. Revenue rejected evidence on mere suspicion. Without inquiry, US 133, 6. What is not taxable US 5, 2, cannot be taxed indirectly US 69. Decision: Addition deleted. Appeal allowed. 46. Ito ORS. V. Consortium of Institutions of Higher Learning. Supreme Court, 2025. Issue: Validity of reassessment notices issued after 1st April 2021. Held: Notices dispatched after 1st April 2021 are time-barred US 148 by 149. SLP filed with 316 days delay without sufficient cause. Decision: SLP dismissed on limitation and merits. 47. Asset V. 7 Seas Hospitality PVT, Elt, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue: Penalty US to 71 DA for violation of section to 69 cent. Held: Satisfaction for penalty must be recorded in assessment order itself. No such satisfaction recorded by AO. Ratio of Jai Lakshmi Rice Mills, SC, applicable. Decision, penalty deleted, decided in favor of assessee. 48. Gaurav Kumar Arya v. PCIT, Delhi 20, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue, revision US 263 in bogus LTCG reassessment. Held, PCIT failed to identify specific errors in reassessment order. Revision based on general observations is invalid. Decision, order US 263 quashed, assessee's appeal allowed. 49. Bhikha Bhai Mangal Bhai Patel v. Ito, Vadodara, Itat Ahmedabad, 2025. Issue, cash deposits treated as unexplained income. Held, deposits were supported by earlier withdrawals from same bank accounts. Source satisfactorily explained. Decision, addition deleted, appeal allowed. 50. Nalinkant Bhiklalal Pathak v. Ito, Bhavnagar, Itat Ahmedabad, 2025. Issue, addition US 56, 2, Kiss Smiley on property purchase below stamp value. Held, stamp duty, registration and related charges are integral part of purchase cost. CIT, A, failed to consider these expenses. Decision, matter remanded to AO for fresh computation. Appeal allowed for statistical purposes. 51. Lalita Agrawal, legal heir, v. Asset, New Delhi, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue, reassessment notice issued in name of deceased assessee. Held, no legal duty on legal heir to intimate death to department. Notice issued to deceased person is void ab initio. Relied on Savita Kapila, Delhi HC. Decision, reassessment quashed, appeal allowed. Case-wise summary of income tax case laws, 2025. 52. Saraswati Devi Educational and Social Trust vs. CPC Bataito, exemption, Itat Kolkata. Issue, denial of exemption US 1112 due to belated filing of ITR and Form 10B. Held, delay in filing Form 10B is a procedural lapse. When audit report is available, exemption cannot be denied at 143(1) stage. Ratio, technical breach cannot defeat substantive charitable exemption. Outcome, intimation US 143(1) quashed, assessee allowed. 53. Chhaya Prakashni Limited vs. Ito, TDS, Itat Kolkata. Issue, applicability of TDS US 194C vs. 194 Joule on composing DTP charges. Held, composing DTP printing work is contractual, not technical service. Ratio, section 194C applicable, 194J not attracted. Outcome, demand for short deduction deleted, assessee allowed. 54. Gujarat Informatics Limited vs. DCIT, Itat Ahmedabad. Issue, disallowance US 14 of without incurring expenditure. Held, no interest cost incurred, no dividend income earned. Ratio, mere existence of exempt income investment is insufficient for 14A. Outcome, disallowance deleted, assessee allowed. 55. Mahadev Infracon vs. DCIT, Itat Ahmedabad. Issue, disallowance of interest US 36(1)(3) on mutual fund investment. Held, investments made from interest-free funds, repayment of loans proved. Ratio, no nexus of borrowed funds, no disallowance. Outcome, assessee allowed. 56. Nirbhay Consultants PVT, Limited vs. Ito, Itat Ahmedabad. Issue, addition US 68, unexplained loan. Held, loan utilized for repayment of earlier business loan, ledger proved nexus. Ratio, genuine business transaction cannot be treated as unexplained credit. Outcome, assessee allowed. 57. Woodland Retails PVT, Limited vs. Ito, Itat Kolkata. Issue, reopening barred by limitation, applicability of TOLA. Held, TOLA relaxation not available beyond 31st March 2021 for A 2015-16. Ratio, reopening after limitation is void. Outcome, reopening quashed, assessee allowed. 58. CIT, Intel, Tax vs. Qualcomm Inc, Supreme Court. Issue, limitation US 153, 2A, meaning of received. Held, draft and final orders were time barred. Ratio, no interference warranted in Itat HC view. Outcome, SLP dismissed. 59. Emerald Lands India PVT, Limited vs. Asset, Itat Delhi. Issue, tax liability post-insolvency resolution. Held, clean slate principle applies once resolution plan approved. Ratio, successful resolution applicant not liable for past tax claims. Outcome, assessee allowed. 60. Enya Software Incorporated vs. DCIT, Itat Delhi. Issue. Software license plus AMC as FTS FIS. Held. Issue already decided in earlier A. Facts identical. Ratio. Consistency principle applies. Outcome. Addition deleted. Assessee allowed. 61. Ito versus Prakash Pandurang Patil, Supreme Court. Issue. Jurisdiction for issuance of notice US 148. Held. Delay condoned. No reason to interfere with HC order. Outcome. SLP restored but no merit found. 62. PCIT versus Lakshmi Narayan Shivhare, Supreme Court. Issue. Taxability of syndicate profits. Held. Income taxable in hands of syndicate, not members. Ratio. No lifting of corporate veil warranted. Outcome. Revenue appeal dismissed. 63. JCIT versus IGT Solution PVT, Ltd, Itat Delhi. Issue. Reassessment against non-existing entity. Held. Notice issued despite intimation of amalgamation. Ratio. Proceedings against non-existent entity are void. Outcome. Revenue appeal dismissed. 64. Michael Susan Dell Foundation versus DCIT, Delhi HC. Issue. Reopening without considering assessee's reply. Held. AO failed to consider explanation. Ratio. Reassessment must be reasoned and fair. Outcome. Matter remanded to AO. 65. Logix Heights PVT, Limited versus DCIT, Delhi HC. Issue. Reopening on already examined issue. Held. No fresh material. Reasons lack transaction linkage. Ratio. Change of opinion not permissible. Outcome. Reopening quashed. 66. DCIT versus Interlink Foods PVT, Itat Delhi. Issue. Substitution of reasons during reassessment. Held. AO changed reasons mid-assessment. Ratio. Reopening must stand on recorded reasons only. Outcome. Assessment quashed. 67. PCIT versus Believe Constructions PVT, Ltd, Itat Delhi. Issue. Mechanical approval US 153D. Held. Approval stating only yes is invalid. Ratio. Application of mine mandatory. Outcome. Assessee allowed. 68. Ito versus Malyana Cooperative Kendev, Union, Itat Delhi. Issue. Deduction US ATP on commission income. Held. Income is business income, not other sources. Outcome. Revenue appeal dismissed. 69. Vatste Travels PVT, Limited versus Asset, Itat Delhi. Issue. Invalid sanction US 151 for reopening. Held. Approval taken from wrong authority. Outcome. Reopening quashed. 70. Mrs. Meena Jain versus Ito, Itat Delhi. Issue. Penalty US to 71F for non-filing of return. Held. Reasonable cause established US to 73B. Outcome. Penalty deleted. 71. Mahesh Tukaram Matkar versus Ito, Itat Pune. Issue. Penalty US 270. Held. Deliberate concealment proved. Outcome. Penalty sustained. 72. Care Today Fund versus Ito, Itat Delhi. Issue. Addition US 11, 3. Charitable utilization. Held. No violation of Section 13. Genuine charitable activity. Outcome. Assessee allowed. 73. Shri Sati Hosri PVT, Limited versus Ito, Itat Delhi. Issue. Invalid approval US 151 beyond 3 years. Held. Approval not from competent authority. Outcome. Reassessment quashed. 74. Shri BV Yogesh versus Ito, Itat Bangalore. Issue. Addition of cash deposits US 144. Held. Books not rejected. NP alone not ground for addition. Outcome. Matter remanded to AO. 75. Ito versus Onir Infospace PVT, Ltd, Supreme Court. Issue. Invalid notice US 148A, B, without inquiry. Held. Inquiry required before issuing notice. Outcome. SLP dismissed. 76. Sanjeev Kumar Jain versus Ito, Itat Delhi. Issue. Cash deposits during demonetization US 68. Held. Partly explained. Partial addition sustained. Outcome. Addition partly upheld. 115BB not applicable. 77. Shri Ved Prakash Chanana through LH versus Asset, Itat Delhi 2025. Issue. Addition US 69 are based on diary found during search. Held. Addition deleted. Ratio. Diary was found from company premises employee, not from assessee. No cash found with assessee. Ownership or possession of alleged unaccounted money not proved. Only one check entry matched, others not corroborated. Key takeaway. Addition US 69 requires clear proof of ownership possession. At best, matter could be examined in company's hands. 78. Star Track Footwear PVT. Limited versus DCIT. Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue. 25% disallowance of sales, treating them as bogus US 37. Held. Disallowance deleted. Ratio. Our accepted bills, ledger, invoices and availability of goods. Section 37 applies to expenditure, not sales. No conclusive finding that sales were bogus. Key takeaway. Bogus sales cannot be disallowed under Section 37. Documentary evidence of sales prevails. 79. Om Prakash Bansal, HUF, versus Asset, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue. Jurisdictional defect, Notice US 143, 2, by non-jurisdictional ITO. Held. Assessment quashed. Ratio. Jurisdiction lay with DCIT as income exceeded 20 lakh rupees. Notice issued by ITO was invalid. Defect is incurable. Key takeaway. Assessment framed by non-jurisdictional officer is void ab initio. 80. Mange Ram Mittal versus CIT. Supreme Court, 2025. Issue. Computation of undisclosed income US 158 BB in block assessment. Held. SLP dismissed. Addition upheld. Ratio. Assessment can be based on search material and post-search inquiries. Cross-examination was allowed. Tribunal's factual findings upheld. Key takeaway. Block assessments can rely on cumulative evidence arising from search and consequential inquiries. 81. Neha Gupta versus ITO. Itat Delhi, 2025. Issues. A. Applicability of Section 50C to leasehold rights. B. Denial of deduction US 54G. Held. Assessee allowed relief on both counts. Ratio. Section 50C applies only to land building, not leasehold rights. Industrial relocation was not between urban areas. Key takeaway. Leasehold rights are outside the scope of Section 50C. Factual verification crucial for Section 54G. 82. Ketkaiban Samir Bhai Jani versus ITO. Itat Rajkot, 2025. Issue. Addition US 69 for alleged on money in property purchase. Held. Partial relief. Ratio. No direct evidence of cash payment. Entire on money cannot be taxed as income. Only profit element taxable at the rate 8%. Tax under normal rates, not US 115 BB. Key takeaway. Only profit component of alleged on money can be taxed in absence of concrete evidence. 83. Jain Brothers versus NFSC. Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue. Bogus purchases. Held. Addition deleted. Ratio. Sales not doubted. Invoices, transport evidence, stock registers maintained. Supply not proved to be non-existent. Key takeaway. When sales are accepted, purchases cannot be treated as bogus without cogent evidence. 84. MS Sushila Devi Center for Professional Studies versus PCIT. Itat Dehradun, 2025. Issue. Cancellation of registration US 12A. Held. Cancellation quashed. Ratio. PCIT had no jurisdiction. CIT E is prescribed authority as per CBDT notification. Key takeaway. Jurisdictional error invalidates cancellation of charitable registration. 85. Ms. Rashida Yahya, Bangalorewala versus ITO, Itat Bangalore, 2025. Issue. Addition US 69 for cash deposits. Held. Partly allowed. Ratio. Income estimated US 44 AD at the rate 8% accepted. Bank statements and turnover disclosure sufficient. Key takeaway. Where 44 AD applies, unexplained cash addition is not justified. 86. Gyan Devi Memorial Cultural Educational Society versus CIT, E, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue. Denial of registration US 12A and approval US ATG. Held. Assessee allowed. Ratio. Charitable activities established. Rent to president not excessive. Fire safety non-compliance alone insufficient. Key takeaway. Registration cannot be denied without doubting genuineness of activities. 87. PCIT 3 Pune versus Ramlex PVT, LTD. बॉम्बे HC 2025. Issue: Estimation of income on bogus purchases. Held: Revenue appeal dismissed. Ratio: GP restricted to 15% upheld. VAT audit evidence accepted. Key takeaway: estimation of profit on alleged bogus purchases is a factual matter. 88. Munzer Discretionary Family Trust vs. Ito, Itat Rajkot, 2025. Issue: Applicability of surcharge at AMMR. Held: in favor of assessee. Ratio: surcharge depends on income slab, not highest rate automatically. Key takeaway: even under AMMR, surcharge applies as per income threshold. 89. Bhupendra Bhai Bhiklalal Patel vs. Ito, Itat Ahmedabad, 2025. Issue: Addition US 50C without DVO reference. Held: addition deleted. Ratio: AO must refer to DVO when assessee disputes stamp value. Key takeaway: DVO reference US 50C, though, is mandatory upon objection. 90. Dimpal Rajesh Oswal vs. Ito, Itat Pune, 2025. Issue: Addition US 56 to 7B on property purchase. Held: addition deleted. Ratio: allotment and substantial payment made before cutoff date. Key takeaway: Section 56 to 7B not applicable where rights accrued earlier. 91. Mr. Gilyal Chandrasekhara Bhatt vs. Ito, Itat Mumbai, 2025. Issue: Addition US 56 to 7. Held: matter restored to AO. Ratio: additional evidence not examined earlier. Key takeaway: principles of natural justice require fresh examination. 92. Samir N. Shah vs. Ito, Itat Mumbai, 2025. Issue: penalty US 271(1)(c) on estimated income. Held: penalty deleted. Ratio: additions based on estimation cannot attract penalty. Key takeaway: penalty not leviable on estimated additions. 93. International Resources for Fairer Trade vs. UI, Bombay HC 2025. Issue: delay in filing Form 10B. Held: delay condoned. Ratio: bona fide lapse by auditor. Denial of exemption causes hardship. Key takeaway: technical delay should not defeat substantive charitable exemption. 94. Ito vs. Bhavya Pipe Industry, Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue: bogus purchases Keraj inward expenses. Held: revenue partly succeeded. Ratio: GP at the rate 1.39% upheld. Keraj inward disallowance sustained proportionately. Key takeaway: once purchases held bogus, related expenses also adjustable. 95. Dilip Kantilal Kubawat vs. Ito, Itat Rajkot, 2025. Issue: additions US 50C 56 to Kismaili on sale to relative. Held: additions deleted. Ratio: transfer to relative partly as gift. Proper family evidence produced. Key takeaway: transactions with relatives fall outside sections 50C and 56 to Kismaili. 96. LinkedIn Singapore Pte. Limited vs. Asset, Supreme Court, 2025. Issue: validity of reopening US 151 limitation. Held: SLP dismissed. Key takeaway: reopening beyond limitation without valid approval is unsustainable. 97. Yamuna Expressway Industrial Development Authority vs. CIT, A. Itat Delhi, 2025. Issue: penalty US 271B. Held: penalty deleted. Ratio: not engaged in business. Section 44 ab not applicable. Key takeaway: audit penalty cannot be imposed without statutory obligation. 98. Endocrine Breast Surgery Foundation vs. CIT, E. Itat Chandigarh, 2025. Issue: denial of registration US 12 ATG. Held: denial upheld. Ratio: activities commercial in nature. No genuine charitable application. Key takeaway: commercial dominance defeats charitable status. 99. Hasmukh Nanalal Parekh vs. UI, Gujarat, HC 2025. Issue: reassessment without personal hearing. Held: assessment quashed. Ratio: Violation of Audi alteram partem. Key takeaway. Personal hearing is mandatory when specifically requested. 100. PCIT versus Harminder Singh Bhatia. Supreme Court, 2025. Issue. Taxability of share of profit from syndicate. Held. Revenue appeal dismissed. Ratio. Income taxable in hands of EOP, not individual. Key takeaway. Section 86 protects members from double taxation. 101. Bajaj Housing Finance Limited versus Ito, Itat Pune, 2025. Issue. Penalty US 217. Held. Penalty deleted. Ratio. Issue was debatable and based on CBDT circular. No underreporting or misreporting. Key takeaway. Bona fide claims based on law circulars do not attract penalty. 102. Aris Estates PVT. Limited V. Assessment Unit Andhra. Gujarat HC 2025. Issue. Validity of assessment US 133 RWS 144B without granting VC hearing. Held. Non-grant of video conference hearing despite request is violation of natural justice. Result. Assessment order quashed. Matter remanded for de novo assessment after VC hearing. 103. Shri Srinivas Arravi. Ito, Itat Hyderabad, 2025. Issue. Dismissal of appeal in limine by CIT A for non-prosecution. Held. CIT A must decide appeal on merits even ex parte as per S.250 6. Result. Matter remanded to CIT A for fresh adjudication. Appeal allowed. 104. Masumin Education Society CIT A Itat Pune 2025. Issue. Denial of application of income due to late Form 10B. Held. Audit report was already on record before assessment intimation. Result. Denial unjustified. Now directed to allow application of income capex. 105. Gopal Bansalvi. Asset. Delhi HC 2025. Issue. Reopening beyond limitation under S.149. Held. 6-year limit under Pre-Finance Act 2021 law is terminal. Reopening invalid. Result. S.160 D order and S.160 notice quashed. 106. Kabir Mulchandani V. Asset. Itat Mumbai 2025. Issue. A. Deemed dividend US 222 E. B. Addition US 68/69A. Held. Salary payable cannot be treated as deemed dividend. Once explanation given, onus shifts to AO. Result. All additions deleted. Appeal allowed. 107. Chirag Kirpal V. Asset. Itat Delhi 2025. Issue. Jurisdiction of JAO to issue S.148 Notice Post Finance Act 2021. Held. JAO lacks jurisdiction. Notice invalid. Result. Reassessment proceedings quashed. 108. Upasni Super Speciality Hospital PVT. Limited V. Ito, Itat Mumbai 2025. Issue. Denial of TDS credit due to wrong PAN, firm instead of company. Held. Income taxed in assessee's hands. Denial causes double taxation. Result. Now directed to grant TDS credit after verification. 109. DCI of World Series Hockey PVT Ltd. Itat Mumbai 2025. Issue. Penalty US 271 C on disallowed bad debts. Held. Disallowance of claim furnishing inaccurate particulars. Result. Penalty deleted. Revenue appeal dismissed. 110. Ito V. Bharti Jain, Itat Delhi 2025. Issue. Additions US 6869C on alleged bogus share transactions. Held. No evidence of price rigging. Transactions genuine and through banking channels. Result. CIT A. S deletion upheld. Revenue appeal dismissed. 111. Gulirmak TPL JVV. Itat. Bombay HC 2025. Issue. Rectification US 254 2. Non-consideration of material and case law. Held. Tribunal orders suffered from mistakes apparent on record. Result. Itat order set aside. Matter remanded for fresh decision. 112. Toyota Boshoku Corporation V. Asset. Itat Delhi 2025. Issue. Limitation for reopening under TOLA. Held. Extended time expired on 20th June 2022. Notice dated 29 July 2022 time barred. Result. Reassessment quashed. Appeal allowed. 113. LTI Mindtree Limited V. Asset. Itat Mumbai 2025. Issue. CIT A. Remanded matter treating assessment as ex parte. Held, CIT A should adjudicate on merits, not remand mechanically. Result, CIT A order set aside, directed to decide TP issues on merits. 114 DCITV Silver City, Itad Delhi, 2025. Issue, Addition US 68 on demonetization cash sales. Held, sales recorded, stock available, books not rejected. Result, no addition sustainable, revenue appeal dismissed. 115 Santlal Agrawal v. DCIT, Itad Delhi, 2025. Issue, cash deposits during demonetization. Held, revenue failed to prove earlier withdrawals were spent elsewhere. Result, addition deleted, appeal allowed. 116 Sunil Bansal v. Ito, Itad Delhi, 2025. Issue, difference in sundry creditors. Held, AO made gross addition without examining purchases sales. Result, addition deleted, appeal allowed. 117 DCITV Samyak Metals PV TAF, Itad Delhi, 2025. Issue, addition US 68, onus to prove. Held, identity, creditworthiness and genuineness established. AO brought no rebuttal. Result, CIT A order sustained, revenue appeal dismissed. 118 Mohammad Akbar v. Ito, Itad Chennai, 2025. Issue, exemption US 54F, unutilized capital gains. Held, only unutilized amount taxable, not entire capital gains. Result, addition restricted accordingly. 119 Karthik Clothing Fabrics PVT Limited v. DCIT, Itad Ahmedabad, 2025. Issue, addition US 69 are based on third-party statements, no cross-examination. Held, double taxation not permissible, violation of natural justice. Result, addition deleted, appeal allowed. 120 Javid Bhai Ahmed Bhai Mansoori v. Ito, Itad Ahmedabad, 2025. Issue, addition US 56 2 X B stamp duty valuation. Held, agreement and part payment prior to applicability year. Result, provision not applicable, addition deleted. 121 Tax Bar Association Andhra v. UOI, Rajasthan, HC 2025. Issue, extension of tax audit report due date due to portal glitches. Held, technical failures justified extension. Result, due date extended to 31st October 2025, manual email filing permitted. 122 Jyoti Janvi, DCIT, Itad Delhi, 2025. Issue, denial of exemption US 54F for owning more than one house. Held, multiple floors of same building, multiple houses. Result, 54F exemption allowed. Construction cost issue restored to CIT A. 123 Ramesh Kumar Gupta v. Ito, Itad Delhi, 2025. Issue, jurisdiction after transfer without S.127 order. Held, transfer without S.127 invalidates assessment. Result, assessment quashed, appeal allowed. 124 Institute of Actuaries of India v. CIT E. Bombay HC 2025. Issue, delay in verification of Form 10BB due to CA error. Held, charitable institution should not suffer for inadvertent CA lapse. Result, delay condoned, exemption restored. 125 Meghnanpuram Pax v. PCIT, Itad Chennai, 2025. Issue, S.263 revision on reassessment with wrong sanction, US 151. Held, wrong sanction renders reassessment non-EST, cannot be revised. Result, revision quashed, appeal allowed. 126 Akshar Alzafra PVT, Limited v. DCIT, Itad Ahmedabad, 2025. Issue, disallowance of deduction US 80JJ for non-filing of Form 10-DA. Held, technical impossibility due to portal. Claim relates to earlier years. Result, matter remanded to AO for verification. Appeal allowed, statistical. 127 Surya Agro Products PVT, Limited v. Ito, Itad Kolkata, 2025. Issue, validity of assessment without jurisdictional notice US 143 2. Held, notice US 143 2 was issued by non-jurisdictional AO, while the jurisdictional AO completed assessment without issuing a fresh notice. Since notice US 143 2 is a jurisdictional and mandatory requirement, the assessment was held void ab initio. Decision, assessment quashed, appeal allowed. 128 Shri Foferia Family Charitable Trust v. CIT, Itad Ahmedabad, 2025. Issue: rejection of ATG registration due to wrong clause selected in Form 10 UB. Held: rejection merely on technical grounds without granting opportunity of hearing violates principles of natural justice. Decision: matter restored to CIT E with direction to treat application under correct clause. Appeal allowed for statistical purposes. 129 Melody Enterprises PVT Limited V Asset इतर दिल्ली 2025. Issue: mechanical approval US 153D single approval for 49 assessees. Held: approval granted without application of mind and without reference to seized material is invalid. Decision: assessment quashed. Appeal allowed. 130 Pivotal Infrastructure PVT Limited V ITO TDS इतर दिल्ली 2025. Issue: jurisdiction of AO for TDS default US 201-1 A. Held: order passed by AO having no territorial jurisdiction is invalid. Decision: order quashed as void ab initio. Appeal allowed. 131 अक्षय विनिमय PVT Limited V Asset इतर दिल्ली 2025. Issue: validity of assessment US 153 without incriminating material. Held: in absence of incriminating material found during search, assessment cannot be sustained. Decision: assessment quashed. Appeal allowed. 132 ITO V Kamal Kishore Mishra Aj इतर दिल्ली 2025. Issue: cash deposits during demonetization Section 68. Held: NFSC allowed relief without calling remand report or verifying documents. AO was justified in estimating income at the rate 8%. Decision: revenues appeal allowed. 133 PCITV Ramesh Chandra Rai SC Order 2025. Issue: taxability of profit earned by syndicate AOP. Held: income of syndicate AOP cannot be taxed in hands of individual members. Decision: SLP dismissed, assessee succeeded. Court: Supreme Court of India. 134 Suresh Kumar Prabhulal Thakkar V DCIT Itat Ahmedabad 2025. Issue: penalty US 271-1 C on transfer expenses. Held: assessee furnished supporting evidence. AO failed to disprove the claim. Decision: penalty deleted. Appeal allowed. 135 Ultra Corpotech PL Employee Group Gratuity Scheme V ITO Itat Pune 2025. Issue: exemption US 10-25-4. Held: since approval existed in earlier years, verification directed. Decision: matter remanded. Appeal allowed for statistical purposes. 136 WNS Business Consulting Services PVT Limited V DCIT Itat Delhi 2025. Issue: TP adjustment selection of comparables. Held: Microland Limited functionally comparable. Working capital adjustment allowed. Decision: matter restored to AO. Appeal allowed for statistical purposes. 137 Deveshi Sharma V ITO Itat Delhi 2025. Issue: reassessment barred by limitation. Held: notice US 148 issued beyond extended limitation period. Decision: reassessment quashed. Appeal allowed. 138 DCITV Johnson Johnson PVT Ltd Itat Mumbai 2025. Issue: consequential order after quashing of revision US 263. Held: once 263 order is quashed, consequential assessment cannot survive. Decision: order quashed. 139 Anandi Comet Line Malital Nainital V ITO Itat Dehradun 2025. Issue: cash deposit during demonetization US 69A. Held: past savings and withdrawals explained. Affidavit not rebutted by AO. Decision: addition deleted. Appeal allowed. 140 Ankur Rise Industries PVT Limited V ITO Itat Agra 2025. Issue: salary payable treated as income US 56. Held: outstanding salary is a genuine business liability under mercantile system. Decision: addition deleted. Appeal allowed. 141 Harsiddhi Co-op Credit Society Limited V Asset Itat Ahmedabad 2025. Issue: deduction US ATP 2D on interest from cooperative banks. Held: Cooperative banks are also cooperative societies. Decision: deduction allowed, appeal allowed. 142. Motilal Oswal Financial Services Limited v. DCIT, Itat Mumbai, 2025. Issue: disallowance US 14 RW Rule 8D. Held: disallowance cannot exceed exempt income. Decision: partial relief granted. 143. DCIT v. Ozil Corporation PVT, LTD, SC Order 2025. Issue: reassessment after approval of resolution plan under IBC. Held: all pre-resolution claims stand extinguished. Decision: SLP dismissed. 144. Pradeep Kumar Rochwani v. CIT, Itat Jaipur, 2025. Issue: revision US 263 indexation from allotment date. Held: indexation to be reckoned from date of allotment, not registration. Decision: 263 order quashed. Appeal allowed. 145. All India Kataria Education Society v. Asset, Delhi HC 2025. Issue: jurisdiction for reassessment, Jao versus FAO. Held: issue covered against assessee. Decision: petition dismissed with liberty. 146. Rishi Anand v. Ito, Itat Kolkata, 2025. Issue: assessment without issuing notice US 143, 2, after 148 return. Held: if return is acted upon, notice US 143, 2 is mandatory. Decision: assessment quashed. Appeal allowed. 147. Clar India PVT Limited v. DCIT, Itat Kolkata, 2025. Issue: rectification US 154 warranty provision. Held: debatable issues cannot be rectified US 154. Decision: rectification quashed. Appeal allowed. 148. Bajaj Auto Limited, DCIT, Bombay HC 2025. Issue: nature of sales tax incentive. Held: incentive meant for setting up new units is capital receipt. Decision: in favor of assessee. 149. Lysa Trading LLP v. Ito, Itat Ahmedabad, 2025. Issue: CAM charges treated as rental income. Held: CAM recovery is reimbursement, not rental income. Decision: addition deleted. 150. Abdul Zamir Hakim Khan v. Ito, Itat Mumbai, 2025. Issue: limitation for reassessment under old regime postula. Held: notice issued beyond surviving limitation period. Decision: reassessment quashed. 151. PCIT with Sharan Swadha LLP, SC Order 2025. Issue: applicability of Section 50C to purchaser. Held: Section 50C applies only to seller, not purchaser. Decision: SLP dismissed. 152. Ito Ward 19, 1, 1, Mumbai ORS versus Ram Nebhnani HUF, SC 2025. Issue: validity of reopening US 147 delay in filing SLP. Held: reassessment notice rightly quashed by HC. SC refused to condone inordinate delay of 442 days in filing SLP. Ratio: burden lies on revenue to justify reopening. Mechanical reopening unsustainable. Result: SLP dismissed on limitation. 153. Anuj Ghuliani versus Ito Andhra, SC 2025. Issue: violation of natural justice in proceedings US 148A. Held: AO passed order US 148A D without considering reply filed within time. Ratio: opportunity of hearing is mandatory. Denial vitiates proceedings. Result: SLP dismissed. Reassessment set aside. 154. Shri Murli Manohar Ganeriwal versus Ito, Itat Patna, 2025. Issue: rejection of books estimation of income. Held: after rejection of books, NP rate of 5% on total turnover, recorded plus unrecorded sales, justified. Ratio: no separate additions once profit is estimated. Result: partly allowed in favor of assessee. 155. Hiraben Pragji Bhai Tala versus Ito ORS, Gujarat HC 2025. Issue: service of notice under faceless assessment SOP. Held: SOP mandates physical service if assessee non-responsive. Ratio: SOP violation renders order invalid. Result: assessment quashed and remanded. 156. C Property, Kerala, PVT Limited versus CIT, Kerala HC 2025. Issue: reopening based on change of opinion. Held: matters already examined during scrutiny cannot be reopened. Ratio: reopening review. Result: reassessment quashed. 157 डायनामिक डीलर्स पीवीटी लिमिटेड वर्सेस डीसीआईटी इतत कोलकाता 2025 इशू कैपिटल गेन्स वर्सेस बिजनेस इनकम ऑन लैंड सेल हेल्ड लैंड शोन एज फिक्स्ड एसेट earlier years accepted as capital gains ratio rule of consistency applies result assessee appeal allowed 158 Shri Vishal Negi versus DCIT Itat Hyderabad 2025 issue denial of FTC due to delayed form 67 held as per amended rules form 67 filed before end of A is valid ratio CIT A erred in applying old rules result FTC allowed 159 Dhanuka Agritech Limited versus Asset Itat Delhi 2025 issue penalty US to 70 on leave encashment claim held claim was bona fide fully disclosed ratio no misreporting penalty not justified result penalty deleted 160 Sanand Sankardas versus Ito Itat Mumbai 2025 issue jurisdiction for reopening NRI assessment held notice issued by non-jurisdictional SEC to 92 BB not applicable result reassessment quashed 161 Corporate International Financial Services Limited versus PCIT Itat Delhi 2025 issue revision US 263 when issue pending before CIT A held interest disallowance could be examined by CIT A under enhancement powers ratio no new source of income result 263 order quashed 162 Kasma Prathmik Shishak Sahkari Patsanstha versus Ito Itat Pune 2025 issue deduction US ATP denied on technical ground held CIT A has coterminous powers to allow deduction result deduction allowed 163 Shyam Senchur Ferrous Limited versus Asset Meghalaya HC 2025 issue wrong head of income in ITR rectification held mistake not rectifiable US 154 allowed manual revised return result assessee granted relief 164 Adani Infrastructure Management Services Limited versus DCIT Itat Ahmedabad 2025 issue employees contribution to superannuation fund held payment before due date US 139 1 allowable if fund approved result allowed for verification 165 Jigar Patel versus Ito Itat Ahmedabad 2025 issue agricultural income treated as unexplained cash credit held sharp increase without evidence not acceptable result addition confirmed appeal dismissed 166 Sampark Management Consultancy LLP versus DCIT Itat Delhi 2025 issue invalid approval US 151 beyond 3 years held approval by wrong authority invalid post FAR 2021 result reassessment quashed 167 Society for Training Action Research Rehabilitation versus CBDT Odisha HC 2025 issue delay in filing form 10B held technical lapse cannot defeat substantial justice result delay condoned exemption restored 168 Opla Steel Power PVT Limited versus DCIT Itat Kolkata 2025 issue ex parte order due to non-receipt of notices held matter restored for fresh adjudication result allowed for statistical purposes 169 DCIT versus NT Agro Food Products Itat Kolkata 2025 issue addition US 69 for alleged unaccounted sales held sales already recorded in books no excess stock result revenue appeal dismissed 170 DCIT versus Tirupati Niryat PVT Itat Kolkata 2025 issue LTCG Safe Harbor US 50C held DVO valuation within 5% margin benefit available result assessee succeeds 171 Sanjeev Poddar versus Asset Itat Kolkata 2025 issue penalty when assessment itself invalid held non-issue of notice US 143 2 fatal result penalty cancelled 172 Virbala Kirit Kumar Patel versus DCIT Itat Ahmedabad 2025 issue disallowance US 40A 2 B held AO failed to establish excessiveness result disallowance deleted 173 दलाल ब्रोचा स्टॉक ब्रोकिंग पीवीटी लिमिटेड वर्सेस पीसीआईटी इतत मुंबई 2025 इशू रिविजन यूएस 263 on donation US ATG held AO had examined issue plausible view taken result 263 proceedings quashed 174 DCIT versus Aryan Mining Trading Corp Ltd इतत कोलकाता 2025 issue disallowance US 14 RW rule 8D held only investments yielding exempt income to be considered result revenue appeal dismissed 175 Ashok Patni Family Trust versus DCIT इतत Pune 2025 issue excess levy of surcharge held surcharge at the rate 10% applicable not 37% result appeal allowed 176